Let's just tell you that these are the pictures that happened just a few moments ago. Armed police, as you can see, looking straight into that car. The airbags have been deployed in that car. They clearly have guns. This is an area right outside the public entrance to the House of Commons. The barriers that you can see there were erected after the terrorist event last year, in which you will remember a police officer was killed. Now, there is absolutely, let me make it clear at this point, there are lots of people on holiday coming down to London. There is absolutely no indication at this point that this is anything to do with terrorism. But, of course, this is an incredibly sensitive part of the capital, given what has happened. And, Richard, I mean, you work down there, I work down there. I know that the slightest thing down there can make you feel jittery. You can see more police arriving there. Have you had a chance to speak to anybody about what they think may have happened? And can you just describe what happened as you heard it?
Well, as I heard it, we heard a loud crash, and it sounded as if something had dropped or fallen. Our eyes then went to that scene to see people running in the direction towards us, effectively down this road. Now, they obviously had realised something had happened. I then watched the police move from the parliamentary buildings towards the car, but not actually directly approach it. They were looking at it. We ran towards it. They were then starting to shut the road off. The bus that you see in this shot was stopped just ahead of us. The people have been taken off of that bus. The car that we're talking about is just ahead of that, and a number of police now leaving the scene. So not entirely clear what's happened here, whether this was an accident or not, but they have been taking this incredibly seriously from the very start.
Just to say, Scotland Yard have called it a collision, so they're calling it a collision at this point. That's probably all that we can go on at the moment, I suppose. Yeah.